In the early evening this time of the year, the Big Dipper is nowhere to be found in the northern sky. Without the Big Dipper, how are we supposed to find the North Star? My name is Jim Bader, and this week we're talking about how to find the North Star without the Big Dipper. Welcome everyone to UTA Planetarium's weekly night sky. The North Star is our guide in a dark sky. Early explorers were dependent on the North Star to know their heading, and still today, even astronauts are trained in knowing their location with the stars. But what happens when your traditional guide to finding Polaris isn't visible? Using the Big Dipper to find the North Star is an easy star hop, but if you live in the southern United States, the Big Dipper will drop beneath the horizon for a few months every year. Today, we will explore other methods of finding the North Star without using the Big Dipper. The first way to find the North Star is to use technology. Apps like Stellarium or StarWalk highlight different constellations, stars, and other objects while syncing to your location and directionality. Using the provided cardinal points, you should be able to find north. When there, you should look for a star that's a little dimmer than a few others in the sky, or just about 32 degrees from the horizon. There, you'll find Polaris. If you don't have access to these apps, you can look for it the old-fashioned way, using star maps. Star maps show how the sky looks for different times of the year. By finding the corresponding map, you can find the matching visible stars in the sky and look for Polaris. Another way to look for the North Star is to find Cassiopeia. This constellation looks a lot like an M or an E, depending on the time of night. Imagine a bow with a nocked arrow. By aiming and releasing the arrow towards the horizon, you can find Polaris. In past videos, we've talked about the stars Vega and Capella. This week, they light the way to the North Star. In the sky, Vega sits in the northwest, and Capella sits in the northeast. By drawing a line between them, you can find the North Star sitting right in the middle. There are many more creative ways to locate the North Star without the help of the Big Dipper. Do you know any? If so, drop them in the comments below. That's it for this week's episode. Come back next week to learn more about what's up in your backyard sky. Hello everyone, these videos are designed to help you identify and see what's up at night. Please feel free to follow along with the real sky, but if that's not an option, you can download an application similar to the one we used to make this video. I can recommend Stellarium as a great place to start. Stellarium is a free software that's available for both computers and mobile devices. So whether using a laptop, a tablet, or a cell phone, you can still follow along. Look for a link in the description.